How to e-file TurboTax after printing. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you printed your taxes to mail them in and went all the way through the review and file section, when you sign into TurboTax online, you will see the way to go. You filed your 2024 taxes and you won't see a way to change to e-filing. One thing you have to keep in mind is that if you've already mailed your return, don't e-file. This can cause problems with the government, including refund delays. You can only switch from mail to e-filing method until April 15, and you must be eligible to e-file. Now, what you want to do is sign into your TurboTax. On the tax home screen, scroll down to your taxes returns and documents, select 2024 and then select Add a State. Now select File. On Just One More Step screen, follow steps 1 and 2 if you haven't already. Then select the Start button to write off step 3. On the Let's Get Ready to e-file screen, select I want to e-file. Follow the instructions to e-file your return. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.